Have you ever had a case where you had way too many breakpoints to manage? In those situations, you may want to utilize the breakpoint window. Go to Debug, Windows, Breakpoints, or just search for Breakpoints window. What it does is provide you with a list of every breakpoint in the project, their location, and a bunch of other information. If you double click on one, it will navigate you to the relevant code. You can use the checkbox on the left side to disable the ones you don't currently need. If you right click on one, you can edit the breakpoint by going to Settings, and you can add a label to it by clicking Edit Label. This may help you to identify the breakpoint more easily. Now, there may be a case where you constantly switch between multiple sets of breakpoints, and it may get quite tiresome to disable them one by one. There is an easy solution, which is to separate them in groups. Go to New, Breakpoint Group, provide a name, and click OK. Now right-click on an existing breakpoint, go to Add to Breakpoint Group, and select the group you just made. To remove it from the group, you can just use the Remove option below. If needed, you can select multiple ones while holding Ctrl or Shift key, and you can drag them into the group using your mouse. Now, what the breakpoint group allows you to do is easily disable a set of breakpoints with a click of a checkbox. If you want to enable or disable them automatically based on a condition, you can right-click on the group, go to Settings, check the checkbox Only enable when the following breakpoint is hit, and select a breakpoint. If you are familiar with dependent breakpoints, this will essentially turn all of them into one, and you can make the target breakpoint into a conditional one if needed. And there we go. You now know how to deal with a large number of breakpoints.